Hi everyone, it's me, Heather Jo Flores, and just want to make a quick video to invite you to jump into my new Permaculture for Beginners class. It's going to focus on whole systems design and on empowering you to start doing permaculture no matter where you live. So one thing I just want to throw out there to sort of tease you into joining us is I wanted to tell you a story about how when I first started learning permaculture, my very first class, I went with a group of friends and we were, very interested in the topic. And of course we love plants and we were getting into gardening and seed saving, and we wanted to learn more about whole systems design and ecological design, this how to think like an ecosystem idea. And after the class, we were all sort of laughing in the car. We were like, God, this stuff is all so obvious. It's such common sense. Why isn't it common practice? And one of the people in the car was like, "What? I feel like I already know this stuff." And exactly. That's exactly what this course is designed to help you discover, to help you realize that you have this intuition, you have these connections already inside you, and I'm just here to help you uncover them. So that's what this class is all about. And we're going to get into some real hands-on site assessment and learning how to recognize a microclimate, following natural patterns, etc. So I look forward to seeing you in there, and let me know if you have any questions.